Hi, it's Freya and I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera ice cube. You can use this as a skincare. It moisturizes your face and it soothes the skin. You can also use this on the sunburns. It soothes and relieves the sunburned area. The things you will need will be aloe vera, chopping board, knife, a spoon, ice cube trays, a blender, and a freezer. Chop the aloe vera end, then cut it in half. And scrape it with a spoon. To get something like this. Do it with the rest of the aloe veras. So slimy. After scraping all of the aloe vera, put it in the blender. After blending, put it in the ice cube tray. Then it is ready to go to the freezer. Freeze it to harden. And here it is, homemade aloe vera from an aloe vera plant. Easy to make. The good thing about this, it is all natural and I only made it just by using a plant. This is an aloe vera plant from our garden. We just harvested some of these leaves and we can make an aloe vera ice cubes. This is easy to plant and it grows fast. So why would you buy at the store if you can make one? So that's it for this video. I hope you got some tips from me. If you want to watch more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you more updated and to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!